Greetings, everyone. Carter here, owner of West Dakota Shed, westdakotashed.com, with locations in Dickinson and a location in Bowman, North Dakota at Little Missouri Ranch Supply. Here we have unit number 254. This is an old Hickory shed. It is a 12 by 24 lofted playhouse. Got the little 4-foot deck. So you have 12 foot wide. You actually have 20 foot on the body, and the 4-foot deck makes it 24. Old Hickory has 90 days, same as cash. Rent to own with no credit checks. Free delivery region wide. Build on site for those locations you can't get into. Custom builds, because we have all these sheds, all these different colors and body styles, but we have thousands of options when it comes to custom builds. We also have, no one will beat our prices. No other national shed manufacturer will beat our price, shed for shed. Back to the shed. Again, this is a 12 by 24 lofted playhouse. Let's go inside. We got the industrial floor, a couple of windows, 3 windows, 4 foot of loft on this side, 4 foot of loft over the playhouse for extra bunk room. That is westdakotashed.com. You can see it for yourself at the Autorama Auto location in East Dickinson. westdakotashed.com, unit number 254.